Okay, for problem number 6, we have this stuff here. So again, we're going to hit menu. We're going to go down to calculus. Oops, not stats or probability. Calculus and then sum. Now, I'm going to go one step at a time, okay? I'm going to say K. Then I'm going to use the cursor. And then see where it's flashing? I'm going to put a 1. Now, if I hit the cursor to the right again, it's going to put me right here. Now, I want that to be just like everything here. But I need to start a set of parentheses, so I'm going to start a set of parentheses inside there because I need this -5 in parentheses. Okay? Now I'm raising the -5 to k minus 1, so now I hit the caret symbol. And then I can put k minus 1. And you don't need parentheses on the newer, like on the Nspires, you don't. If you had an older calculator, like an 83 or an 84, it looks completely different. Like if it's a really old 84. Most of the newer ones, you don't need a second set of parentheses. It's just something Mr. Adams does out of habit. But I could put k minus 1. And see how that looks just like the problem? I'll leave that up there for a second. Now, to get from here to up here, I just hit the cursor, I hit the up button. Then I put in that upper boundary of 7. Does that make sense? And once I have all the information plugged in, I hit enter, and then it gives me an answer, which is 13,021. How many of you guys had 13,021? A couple of you guys? Okay, good. So if you didn't have that, it's just because you didn't enter it in the calculator correctly. You'll get an answer, but it's based on how you enter it into the calculator. So this one's going to be 13,021.